Now an update to a problem solvers investigation. The governor's chief of staff addressing allegations that he and other members of the administration interrogated government watchdog employees over their findings in an investigation of Virginia's parole board. A senior investigator with the Office of the State Inspector General has filed a lawsuit now and is seeking whistleblower protection, claiming she was unjustly suspended from her job for reporting alleged misconduct.
Jennifer Moschetti was OSIG's chief investigator into complaints regarding the way the parole board handled the release of more than half a dozen inmates. One of them, Vincent Lamont Martin. He was serving life in prison for the murders of a Richmond police officer before he was released by the parole board last year.
Moschetti says her initial report on the Martin case contained, quote, substantial facts and findings of serious wrongdoing by members of the parole board previously omitted at the direction of the Office of the Attorney General. That resulted in a shorter 6-page report being submitted to the governor's office.
Moschetti says that shortly after that report was leaked, she was called to the governor's office, where she says she and Inspector General Michael Westfall were interrogated by Chief of Staff Clark Mercer, the Secretary of Public Safety, and others. Today, Mercer talked about the meeting.
That team came in. There was about 4 folks from the Inspector General's office that came in, 4 individuals from our office that met. We went into that meeting thinking that there was bias and there was lack of objectivity. We left that meeting knowing that there was bias and a lack of objectivity in that report.
Governor Northam said today he's in discussions with the Attorney General and lawmakers about how to launch an independent investigation into this matter. Tonight on CBS 6 News at 11, our John Burkett sits down with a former Virginia Parole Board chair to get his perspective.